Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is another part of color for your laser. And if you haven't watched the first couple of ones, you might want to watch them. We've redesigned the color palette, putting red in a more accessible area because these are only the colors that laser engraver is going to use. But also, if you're going to use laser engraving and you want to use these colors in color mapping, and even these colors, if you hover over them, it'll tell you what it is. Eventually, um, it should anyway. There it is, 70% black. But you could check this arrow right here and go down and show color names. Now it takes up a little bit of room, but it actually would help. Maybe not so much here, but you could check on it, and that's 10% black, 30% black. You can definitely see. You don't have to guess or count up and down. But also, when you do color mapping, you want to use that red 25500. Of course, that's there regardless if you have the names. I don't personally like that, but it is kind of cool because you can do the same thing right there when you're doing color mapping. And if you want to use that blue, just make sure you use blue 255. Anyway, I truly hope that helped a little bit. And thank you for watching. I'm trying to put it back. Thank you.